Hello, Vettsy babes! Hope your summer is off to a gorgeous start. Our newest July box is finally here. Whether you're looking to create something sweet, bold, elegant, or playful, this box has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Enough talking. Let's tear this beauty open and see what's inside, shall we? 2 bottles of pure deep-sea cat eye magic, 1 glossy color gel and a 3D sculpting gel. A super fun gummy art gel. Your nail extension's new bestie, HEMA-free builder gel. Mermaid powder with ethereal, iridescent glow. Deep sea magnetism with a velvet finish. These bubble glitters add a clean summer texture. Create effortless ombre fades and sunset blurs with this palette. Look, the way it catches the ambient light is stunning. Some star charms with premium zircon brilliance. The Y2K cross is back and better than ever. Frosty glass-like translucency captured in delicate flight. Bring fun and energy to your seasonal nail art. Like your favorite candy, but way more sparkle. Gracefully sculpted bow knots with a delicate luster. Premium nail foils that transfer effortlessly onto the nail layer. Removes stubborn gel residues from delicate bristles without losing their shape. The one magnet that makes cat eye lines curve exactly where you want them. Pick a pattern, stamp it on, and call it art in under 5 seconds. No steady hand needed. Just stick, top coat, and you're good to go. Retro tinted sunnies to elevate your summer nail selfies and everyday fits. Bring the Americana holiday spirit to your kitchen with this magnet. That's everything out of the box, but don't just stop at unboxing. The real fun is seeing how they look on actual nails. Ready for some serious inspiration? Here are 4 different nail looks we created. Set 1, American Glow. Begin by evenly applying light blue cat eye gel. Before it cures, hover a magnet near the edge to manipulate the shimmer into a cat eye effect. Then cure. Sweep a vibrant red gel onto the nail tip. Blend the edge using an ombre brush for a smooth transition. Place some stickers and press firmly. Finally, seal the entire nail with top coat to protect the design and cure. Set 2, Denim Vibe. Firstly, evenly apply transfer gel and cure until it becomes tacky. Select a denim nail foil and rub thoroughly to ensure full adherence, then snap off swiftly. After top coat, paint dashed lines along the borders using white gel, then cure. Apply glue, place metallic stars with tweezers, then cure. Set 3, Summer Petals. Begin by using pigment powders on the nail, seamlessly blending them into a warm sunset gradient. Then seal the base. Mold and press the gel into 5 delicate petals, arranging the floral motif at the center of the nail before giving it a cure. To achieve a translucent, glassy look, overlay another layer of clear sculpting gel onto the petals. Place some silver glitter onto the pistil of the newly formed flower. End with the top coat and cure. Set 4, Aurora Ripples. Apply a no-wipe top coat, cure it, then, rub mermaid powder onto the nail for a pearlescent backdrop. Apply top coat and cure to seal the iridescent pigment. Scoop some gummy gel onto the nail, mold and dimple the gel gently to shape dimensional, irregular water ripples. Coat the nail with top coat and cure. 4 designs, 4 moods. Find the one that makes your summer shine. Ready to recreate your favorite look? Grab this July box before it's gone. See you!